Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I can show you how to fix the problem when all devices can't connect to your modern XIAOMI router BE3600. So let's start with the key. Our device supports Wi-Fi, so our device is Wi-Fi 7 and it's cool for Wi-Fi 6 devices. But if you have old smartphone, for example, or IDK, air fryer, maybe smart vacuum or something about it, and it's a bit old and it's not support even Wi-Fi 6, so unfortunately it will not be able to work with your XIAOMI in the normal mode. But what can we do? I will share several advices for you, and one of these advices will work for you. Okay, one of them. So you should check the one step and try it on your device, and if it fixes if it fixed your problem, so you can leave me a like and close this video. If not, you can move on with me. Okay, let's go. So at the very beginning, let's move to the Windows, to the computer. So here we should open router, miwifi.com. Just open it, login via login using your administrator password, and open settings. And the first thing you should check is just to disable Smart Connect. I know it's really handy feature, but sometimes it's better to have it turned off. Okay, and what can we do now? Now we can all our household devices like smart vacuums, smart air fryers, smart lamps, smart air conditioners and other devices connect to this 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, because sometimes all devices just can't see 5G network but can see 2.4 GHz network. Okay, so it's very important for us. For the first step, just try to split these Wi-Fis, and what you will see two different networks with two different, if you will set up, of course, with two different names, you can even set up two different passwords for these two different networks, and they will work simultaneously. And your 2.4 GHz will be used for household devices, 5 GHz for smartphones, laptops, and fast internet connection. Okay, this is the first thing you should try. The second thing you should try is to disable TVT echo mode, because this echo mode is for Wi-Fi 6 compatible devices, and if you have legacy devices like Wi-Fi 5 devices, so unfortunately it can it just can make your connection poor. Okay, so, and the last thing you can try is to enable Wi-Fi 5 compatible mode. Unfortunately, it will disable all Wi-Fi 6 cool features and even Wi-Fi 7. But if it's important for you to have all Wi-Fi devices connected to your router, so just enable this Wi-Fi 5 compatible mode. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Hope you have no problem now with connecting your old devices to your router. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you in the next one.